So this is the motorcycle I'll be converting. I haven't dropped out the engine. The fairings have been removed, as you can tell, because they connect here and then kind of swipe down through. And the motor, the hub motor that I'll be using, will actually be placed here. This is what I was talking about. You'll have to cut here to be able to install the hub motor, because you can't take out the shaft. You're going to be needing to slide that in, so that'll be a modification. But yeah, the engine will be dropped. All the battery cells will be installed here. I'll be building a battery box, and then hopefully the ESC will be laying right across, right underneath the seat here. So yeah, this motorcycle is a GS500 from Suzuki, and this will be my first conversion, so we'll see how it turns out. I'll see you guys next time.